It's knife 30. Let's do this. Sometimes when you get through, it pushes their burr back on the back side of these holes. I'll go over here and always deburr them on a disc grinder. Alright, time to cut it out and profile it. Flare this belt over to the side here, you can actually get up into some of these grooves right here before you take it to the small wheel. Flare it over to the side and you can go underneath some of these corners right here. Alright, we got the contour grinding action. We can work up into these finger grooves around the corners here and clean up the spine. So, I'll take you over there. It's a really neat machine. Alright, I'm going to go in here and this 3-inch wheel here and do around these all off in here and clean it out where I couldn't get with the regular belt grinder. Got to switch wheels. I need a 1-inch wheel to get inside this radius right here. There she be. I need to stamp my logo right here, and I'll clean these flats off here, and I'll go into is it going to heat treat? I heat treat all my blades before I grind them. This is D2 tool steel. I feel like D2 grinds a lot cleaner after heat treat, and I can do them in batches. I've always did it like that, and they always end up getting a good finish on them. D2 can be temperamental, but it's a fantastic knife steel. Probably very overlooked, in my opinion. You get the heat treat right, it stays extremely sharp for a long time. Alright, hope you guys enjoy that. That's part 1. Like I said, we'll stamp it, my logo on here, and then we'll go into heat treat. And from heat treat, I will go into grinding. I think I'm going to put a Scandi grind on this knife. This is a new model here. I think we'll put a Scandi grind on here, and we'll do a Kydex sheath. Of course, after we put the handle on, I'm going to use G10 on this. My favorite handle material. Alright, hope you guys enjoy it. That's part 1. There'll be part 2 coming soon.